Hi, and welcome back. This is Rob Thomas, your Everything Microsoft Cloud Architect. And today we're going to jump into building an AI help desk AI Copilot agent. So without further ado, let's give a shout out to our sponsor. And that is going to be Enterprise Software Solution, the software dudes. For any of your Microsoft SQL Server, Windows Server, SharePoint, Microsoft Azure, Microsoft Copilot, Power BI, Microsoft 365, Microsoft Dynamics 365 and all their products, and Microsoft Intune's needs, I highly recommend reaching out to these professionals. Their existing customers include, which are located here, Jiffy Lube, a BP, Yellow Cab, just to name a few. I'm a customer, I'm a partner, and I highly recommend them. When you first visit their site, click the schedule a meeting button at the top right corner and schedule a meeting with them to answer any of your Microsoft questions. All right, so let's jump into this. If I go here, the first thing, what I wanted to do is I want you to log into this. So let me just quickly show you how to get to this Copilot Studio and then look at this agent. First thing you're going to do is you're going to log in here. As always, once you log in, you go to your apps, you go to Power Automate, and you'll click that. It'll bring this up. You go here, and then you click on your Copilot Studio. And then that is going to take you to your Copilot Studio. Or you can type in copilotstudio.microsoft.com right here, and then you'll be able to get to your Copilot Studio. Now, if you run an IT help desk or manage a team that uses one, your biggest productivity killer is going to be low-level support tickets that you shouldn't be having your expert team handle. You know, these tickets include like simple password requests, my printer won't connect. I mean, your team will be buried in all these cases or tickets, and it's frustrating and a time killer. What if you could install an AI expert that handles 80% of those issues instantly and only sends the complicated, high-quality stuff to your support team? Now, today, I'm demonstrating how this IT support tech agent built with Copilot Studio will solve issues instantly using knowledge base or automatically create a perfect support ticket in Dynamics 365 customer support. So let's see how this powerhouse automation works. Now that I'm already here, right? I'm in this agent. You can see that as I come to this agent and I'm logged in, right? I would actually click on top and then pull up my agent, and then it'll come up. So I'm in my agent. Now, the agent starts by asking a core question, which is over here to the right. When I say test my agent, it'll say, hello, I'm an IT desk. I'm a virtual agent just here, just so you're aware. Sometimes use AI to answer your questions. So this message is going to pop up, right? And the bot derives that. But the entire mission of this bot is based on, again, knowledge first philosophy. It's grounded in knowledge-based articles, the documented solutions for your most common problem, which are managed in the Copilot service workplace. Now, the agent starts by asking the core question. What type of issue are you facing? Hardware, software, or license. Let's say the user types the word software and gives the description like a login issue, right? So I'll just go in here and then I'll grab it and then I'll type in software. Now I'm going to click it because I already did it over here for you. So you can see I typed in software and then it'll say, describe the issue you're facing. And then what I'll do is I'll put in login issue, which I did here. So as I put the login issue, it automatically populates troubleshooting. It goes to the knowledge base and pulls from the knowledge base and gives you this knowledge base information, which is troubleshooting license activation failure, right? So to answer the question, login issue, right? So then what's it's going to do, it's going to ask you, did this article solve your issue, right? So I'm going to say, yes, it resolved my issue. And the conversation ends successfully, basically time saved, and no ticket was needed to be created. And it'll just give you a response, thanks for contacting, right? And that's the beauty of it. I'm able to cut down more than half of my tickets by building a system that looks at all my knowledge bases. And when someone is asking a question, they can find the answer to their question via the knowledge base and showcase it in the chat here, right? So now, what if the user, right? So what if they said, no, let's raise a ticket, right? So the logics will shift immediately from Q&A to data capture. The agent knows it failed, and the new job is to collect all the necessary data to create a high quality case. Now, first, it asks for the priority of the tickets and then I would choose what the priority is. So I demonstrated that on this workflow. Same thing, asked the question. I said it's hardware. I gave it, describe the issue. I'm going to say charging problems. And then it gave me a laptop not powering on. Didn't really answer my question. And then it's going to ask me, did this article resolve your issue? I'm going to say no. As we were just talking about, I raise a support ticket. And then what is the priority of the ticket? And this is where I'm going to select medium, right? Now, here's where the magic happens. Selecting the priority, which is medium, triggers a Power Automate flow that instantly creates a fully documented case in Dynamics 365 customer service, right? So the ticket has been raised successfully. Let's jump down to Microsoft Dynamics 365 to confirm. Now, before I go there, you're going to see here, hit medium, tickets raised successfully. So I'm going to jump over here to the case, right? So I'll go into my Microsoft Customer Service Hub. I'll look at one of my case, and I'm going to literally see, this is me. I triggered this, and it created the case title, a case number, and then it just grabbed it, description as charging problems, which is awesome. Then I'll have some automation in here, which basically assigns the case to a person to manage and then basically work and resolve. Now, so that is pretty much what's actually happening, right? And I'm just going to go back here and I want to just show you the case title again, right? And the description, these two things were transferred over, right? So the bot validated the user's email and created a case with all the necessary fields filled out. And again, your human IT team can now start working on high quality cases, prioritize cases immediately, instead of wasting about 35 minutes trying to talk to users through basic troubleshooting. This is a very simple, high-level workflow I wanted to show you on how you can start using and building AI agents, right? And this is just the logic and the function of it. I want to show you, let me get rid of this right here and just kind of show you the logic, right? So this is the behind the scenes logic that was created to make all of this work, right? So how it does the actions, how it's grabbing it, where it's based on these conditions, and then sends it over to Microsoft Dynamics 365 customer service to create those cases, right? So I hope you got some value out of this. And this IT help desk agent guarantees that your human experts only see the problems they need to see. It provides quick, documented solutions first, and when that fails, it instantly creates a rich, prioritized case in Dynamics 365 customer service. Your next steps: identify your top 5 common problems, IT issues, and convert them into knowledge-based articles today. Your AI can start solving those repetitive problems tomorrow. Also, in the comments below, tell me this. What is the single most important, common repetitive ticket your IT team deals with that you want to eliminate with knowledge-based articles? Share that in the comments below. And if you found this automation essential, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe for more workflow guides. Thank you so much for your time, and see you in the next one. Bye.